Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. The key to AI is its ability to learn and adapt through algorithms and statistical models. Machine learning is a subset of AI where algorithms learn and improve from experience, rather than being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that involves neural networks, which are modeled after the human brain. The process of creating an AI system typically involves defining the problem, collecting and cleaning data, selecting an appropriate algorithm, training the algorithm on the data, and testing and refining the system. Data is a critical component of AI as it is used to train the algorithms and improve their accuracy. AI is used in a wide range of applications, including natural language processing, image and speech recognition, autonomous vehicles, and recommendation systems. It has the potential to transform industries and improve our daily lives by automating repetitive tasks, improving decision-making, and providing new insights and capabilities. However, it also raises important ethical and societal issues such as privacy, bias, and job displacement.